Alright, hello, today is January 2nd, 2017, gonna be doing a quick bike check. Starting from the front here, the whole tire itself, with the tire, it is a Fit TA, it's a very nice tire, hooked up to a Rhino light black rim by Sun Rims, and the hub is an, I want to say, Odyssey Vandero. The bike is really light. Lift it up with one hand. Let's see. And then starting again, another thing is the stem is a primo. Or no, not primo. Black label. Yes. There you go. Love the stem. It doesn't slip or anything. The bars always stay where they're at. The bars are 8.5 kink human chrome bars. Now moving with the forks as well. The forks themselves, those are Fit shivs. They're really light. They're nice. Probably the nicest pair of forks I've ever had on a BMX bike. Let's see. The crank arms are Fit. They went with the bike. But before I had DK crank arms. Those are really nice. Went with my blue DK Sprocket. The pedals are primo. Yeah, and they're alright. They're a little bit bent, but oh well. I think the crank arms or the pedals are bent. Sprocket is a 28 tooth DK. I'm not sure. DK something. Not sure. I gotta tighten it. It's getting a little loose though. The chain is a KMC. Let's see. The seat is Odyssey. Nice Odyssey seat there. The back tire is a Odyssey quadrant with the rim is an Odyssey quadrant. The hub I want to say is a DK. I'm not sure. It's really nice and loud. So the hub, really nice. But yeah, an Odyssey quadrant back rim. Got my little dice cap right there. Very nice. The whole bike's really light. I mean, whoa, that was my light, but it's a light bike. It's really nice light. Got my gloves on the bars. I'm not sure what the grips are. I just grabbed some piece of shit grips because my Miracle grips took a shit on me. Reversed them inside out, and I couldn't get them back to original form, and they broke. So got these piece of crap grips, but I mean they're good. They got lots of grip. They're basically almost brand new. They're just the ends suck. I was gonna use my ODI bar ends, but they were too small for some odd reason. So I'm just rocking no bar ends at the moment. But yeah, the whole bike. The frame itself, forgot to tell you, is a Fit Benny. The top cover right here is primo. Oh no, it's an impact. Sorry about that. But yeah, I mean, that's my bike. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for viewing it, guys. Bye.